As I can see, the season of fall has made its grand entrance to the market, and it's time to create some fall decor. Home decor, DIYs, thrift flips, dupes, hacks, and more. Welcome to CJ DIY. First thing that caught my eye was this mom and greenery mix candle centerpiece, and it's a little bit pricey, $69. So I went to my local Dollar Tree, and it's full with fall florals, and I grabbed some picks, and let's see if we can recreate this Kirkland's piece. For the base, I will be using these round wooden Dollar Tree signs. I will be removing the twine hanger and the tag, and since this sign is a little bit thinner, I will be adding a thicker surface as well. So I grabbed my foam board, and I'm gonna cut off the same round shape as my wooden round flag is, and I'm gonna glue it on top of my sign. So I grabbed my wooden glue, and with the brush, I'm going over the wooden plaque and adding the foam board on top of it. And now we have a nice thicker base that we can add these tumbling tower blocks, and I'm gonna add a glue and glue them on the side of this round base. To speed up the gluing on the corner of each block, I will be also adding a hot glue and making this base nice and sturdy. I used almost the whole package of these blocks, and it's super quick and easy process. You just add the glue and gluing until the whole round surface is filled with this, and we're gonna make them in a shape of a planter so we can add our fall greeneries to it. And as I was walking through the stores, fall's traditional colors are making a comeback with the rich shades of burnt orange, fairy red, golden yellow, and dark green. It's gonna be part of this year fall decor, and I cannot wait to create more decorations with these colors. And as you can see, I'm finishing up my lantern. It was so nice and easy to do it. After that, I'm gonna give it a one good coat with this weathered wood DIY paint outside and inside on my tumbling block towers. Then I'm gonna let it dry, and it's time to decorate it. I really love this faded brown look to it. As you can see, it's still drying. After that, I'm gonna coat it with a clear wax, and now it's time to decorate it. I'm adding this foam that I got in my stash. Also, Dollar Tree is selling some foams, flower foams, then you can add, but this one was perfect. I just cut it off in the shape of the circle, and in the middle part, I will be adding the glass holder. You can find glass holders like this at Dollar Tree. And now I cut off my picks, fall picks, and randomly I'm adding them in my centerpiece. I also added 2 mom flowers to give the identical look like the original one, and randomly I'm adding some flowers, berries, until my whole planter is filled with it. And with adding more picks, it make it more fuller, more richer, and more high-end look. Now that the planter is full with all those fall picks, I'm filling the inside of the foam with the Spanish moss to cover that green color from the foam. And that's it. You have quick and easy and inexpensive, beautiful look for our upcoming fall season. For the middle part, I'm gonna be adding one of those ivory candles from Dollar Tree, and our creation is done. If you have a tons of fall decor and items in your crafting stash, to recreate this beautiful item is not gonna cost anything at all. If you don't have any fall decor in your home, you can go to Dollar Tree and purchase items like this for up to $15, and that is a huge saving compared to the original look at Kirkland's for $69.99. Another amazing find at Kirkland's is this fall door wreath, but it's a bit pricey. We're gonna make our own version with this grape wine wreath that I have in my stash. You can find grape wine wreaths at Dollar Tree as well. So I just picked up some random picks that I got in my stash and mixed them together with the Dollar Tree mix, and we're gonna make identical look like the original one. So I grabbed those two picks on the side and I'm connecting them with one yellow Chanel stem, and I'm adding a couple of picks of these pampas picks from Dollar Tree, adding them in between and making my wreath richer, adding some random other picks as well, some berries, orange dry picks and leaves, and some pumpkins at the end. And whatever you like, you can always be creative. And the beautiness of those picks is you don't need to add any glue. You just go through those picks and just sliding them in, and they're gonna stay nice and sturdy. And then for the middle part, I'm gonna be adding 3 orange pumpkins, also from Dollar Tree. In between, I'm gonna add more leaves and some berries, and that's it. Not even 5 to 10 minutes and you have a brand new look for fall. Another amazing look, and it's trending, is this pumpkin centerpiece, and it's a bit pricey at Kirkland's. You can use pumpkin in any color, and I'm showing you Dollar Tree selling those pumpkins for $3, so you can grab any color of those and make your centerpiece for way less than that. So I grab a cream one, and I'm gonna cut off the stem on top with my utility knife, just that part. And this one, it's not even 5 minutes and you have a brand new look set up as a centerpiece for your coffee table or your dining room or in your kitchen breakfast bar. It's super quick and easy to do this, especially if you have those large pumpkins in your crafting stash and those fall picks from last year. Just grab a couple of them, cut off one of your large foam pumpkins and add fall picks to it, and you have a beautiful new look for this year for fall decor. So I just grabbed random fall picks from my stash. I added these ivory leaves as well, yellow, orange, whatever. I thought it's gonna look perfect with my pumpkin, and we're gonna have an identical look like the original for way less than $39. And it was so easy to do because the base on the bottom is foam, so you just add those picks inside of this pumpkin and beautiful, easy decor. I'm in love with this topiary, but the price is $149. Can you believe it? And we can make it for way less than that. I have this planter I purchased last year from Hobby Lobby for like $4 and some change. And what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna paint it with a primer so I can add a different color to it. So I'm adding a primer first. I'm gonna let it dry, and then when it's dry, I'm gonna cover it with a truffle Waverly chalk paint. I love this color. I'm gonna give it a one good coat, and you don't need to do anything else for this little cute planter vase. If you don't have vase like that, you can create one of those with one of those Dollar Tree glasses and the candle holders on the bottom, and it's gonna be similar, and you're gonna have a perfect base for your topiary. I'm going to paint 3 foam pumpkins in 3 different sizes, 2 orange shades and 1 in linen from Folkart and Waverly. And after I paint them, I'm also on the top, I decided to go with this green pumpkin because I couldn't find the cream one. But then at the end, at the final reveal, you're gonna see I changed that green one with the cream one that I found in my other bin from fall crafting stash that I have. So to make it more similar, I'm just gonna switch that green pumpkin with the cream one, and I'm just gonna layering them on top of each to make it in a shape of the topiary. I just add a little bit of hot Gorilla Glue, not too much because I want to change this in the future, and then I'm adding more glue on top of the larger pumpkin and make them sturdy and be ready for decoration. Now that I set up my 4 pumpkins, even if I mentioned that that green one will be changed later on, I'm gonna be adding in between some berries in different colors. You can find berries like this and leaves at Dollar Tree. And I will be adding them in between the pumpkins to make it similar like the original. You can always be creative. You can add some leaf garlands in between. You can also add some moss. I mean, the sky is the limit, and everybody have a different taste and different look. You can even add those pumpkins in different color. Whatever you like, be creative, and you never gonna go wrong with it. So I'm just adding some berries in between those 4 pumpkins, and then after I add those berries, I'm gonna be adding a cream and orange leaves that I cut off from my picks, and at the end, yellow berry garland, and rolling it around the pumpkins just to make it similar like the original look at Kirkland's. And my darlings, we made a huge savings today with recreating all these dupes from Kirkland's with Dollar Tree items. Let me know which one is your favorite one. Fall in love with more DIY projects by hitting that like, subscribe button, and give me a comment. Be blessed and creative. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video with more DIY delights. We also have amazing collab and giveaways. Until next time, bye-bye!